Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Understanding and Learning Cryptocurrency with GhCryptoGuy. Today we are going to be doing a video that everybody has been asking me about. I did a version of this video about 2 years ago telling people how to buy Bitcoin in Ghana on Binance. However, a couple of things have changed. The way you do that on Binance now has changed. So I have a lot of people asking me in the comments that how do you buy Bitcoin in Ghana on Binance? Today, I have an answer for you and we are going to talk about that in the video. But to help this channel, I need you to do a few things. First, subscribe. I'm going to wait for you. You should have subscribed now. If not, do it. Anyway, leave a like for this video. If you have any questions, leave your questions in the comment section. I know a lot of people have been saying I've not been responding to comments, so I am putting in the conscious effort of responding to as many comments as I can every single day. You can also reach me on Twitter at GhCryptoGuy, but I'm not going to bore you for so long. Let's get right into the video. Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to walk you through how to buy Bitcoin in Ghana in 2022 on Binance. We are going to go through it using a couple of steps. So step one, you need to have a Binance account. You can't trade on the Binance platform without having a Binance account. So you are going to have to go into the description section of this particular YouTube video. You are going to find a link in there. It's my referral link. You are going to get 5% off every trading fee or every trade you do when you are trading on Binance if you use my referral link in the description or in the bio. So go ahead and click on it and sign up on Binance.com. After that, you have to verify your account because they have to know you're a real person to use the platform. Don't worry, it's not anything crazy. It's cryptocurrency though, but then the thing is, with verification of your identity, it happens for all financial platforms. The reason why I'm saying it's cryptocurrency though is a lot of people who are getting into cryptocurrency are very skeptical and are scared about giving out their personal information. And this is an industry standard on all platforms. So you have to verify your identity. You can do this using a couple of identification documents in Ghana. You can use the Ghana card, the driver's license, or your passport. So any of these three. Verification takes between 7 to let's say 48 hours. Binance verification is very fast. If you have any issues with verification, you can send a comment or type a comment in the comment section, or send an email to the Binance customer service, or should I say customer team, and they're going to respond to you. After you are done with creating an account and verifying your identity, the next thing you have to do then is to ensure that you add your mobile number to the Binance app. So if you are trading on the P2P platform, which is what I'm about to show you, Binance will be sending you updates for every trade you do via your mobile number, and a lot of you will be using mobile money as your payment method, which means that they would have to be able to display your mobile number, and they have to make sure that the mobile number you are using with the trade or during the trade is a mobile number that belongs to you. So you should also do that, and after you have done these three things, you are ready to go. It's very simple. If you open the app when you're done signing up, you see the verification under your own personal account settings, and you can go ahead and finish the verification. For the mobile number, you can just sign up on Binance using your mobile number instead of your email address, which makes it very easy for you to already have your mobile number verified. Now that you have done these things, we are ready to buy Bitcoin in Ghana on Binance. Let's get into the part of the video where I show you how to do it. You open the Binance app and then it looks like this. Make sure you have signed up using my link in the bio and you have verified your account. You are going to have to use Binance P2P. It's the only way to buy Bitcoin in Ghana using mobile money on Binance currently. So you click on P2P trading on your homepage as I just did, and then you make sure that you select BTC because it is BTC that we are buying. You scroll through and then you find the person you want to buy from. Usually click on the verified accounts because they are safer. So I'm going to click on mighty_gh and I'm going to enter the amount I want to buy. So I'm going to buy 200 Ghana Cedis worth of Bitcoin. You don't need a lot of money to buy Bitcoin, right? Now, after this, you can chat with the person you're buying from, but then all you need to do is to make payment. So you click on the make payment button after you have actually made the payment. So let me click on the chat, right? It's really cool. You can text the person that you're buying from and ask them for any other extra information if you need that. But then you click on make payments and you find the person's details. So you would find the person's mobile money number. You click on that and then you make the payment, and then you click that you have actually made the payment after you have managed to send the person the Momo. I did that, but you won't see that in this video, right? So I'm going to confirm again that I've made the payment. I need to confirm again just to make sure that I've made the payment. So confirmed. I have now made the payment. Now that I have made the payment, I have to wait for the person to also confirm on their end that they have received the Ghana Cedi that I sent, so that they can also send me the Bitcoin. A lot of people get scared at this point because people may not respond very early. The truth is, some people may not be online at the time that you initiate the transaction. So Binance will send them a couple of notifications to their text, to their normal notifications tray from the app, so that they would see that you have sent them money, and then they'll come online. Don't be afraid if somebody is not responding, because it can take up to 15 minutes or even more for people to respond. But traders that are very popular and have a verified tick usually respond very early. So when you're going through the list of people that are available to buy Bitcoin from, just make sure that you are picking somebody who has completed a lot of trades and completes the trade at a fast time. All of those statistics are listed, and so you can choose from there, right? So while you're waiting, you can go off the app and then come back. But another thing is, what happens if the person doesn't give you your money? Well, you can open a dispute, and Binance will look into it and make sure that nobody runs away with your hard-earned cash, right? So there are disputes for instances. There we go. The person has just confirmed, and now I have bought 200 Ghana Cedis worth of Bitcoin. Now I can find the Bitcoin I just bought by going to my wallet and going to funding. Ta-da. Awesome. So I hope everybody liked the tutorial they just watched, because I tried my very best to make it as holistic as possible. You should be able to buy Bitcoin in Ghana using mobile money on Binance now after watching that particular tutorial. If you have any questions, comment section, here you come. I'll respond to it as soon as possible. You can use the same method to buy Ethereum, USDT stablecoin, BUSD stablecoin on Binance P2P. You just have to make sure that at the part where you selected BTC as the currency that you want to buy, you would rather select Ethereum, USDT, or BUSD. And you can buy all of these cryptocurrencies, right? For those of you who want to buy other cryptocurrencies that are not on Binance P2P, you buy Bitcoin first, and then you like transfer, or you trade your Bitcoin for other cryptocurrencies. So whatever cryptocurrency you want to buy, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, all of those coins, buy Bitcoin, then you transfer it. That's the easiest way to get your Ghana Cedi into a cryptocurrency trading app. Now, remember that you're supposed to subscribe to this channel so that you get more videos like this. But secondly, if you haven't signed up for Binance yet, use my referral code so you get a discount on trading fees on the Binance app. If you have any questions, as I've been saying, leave them in the comment section. I would be responding to all the questions on this particular video. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like and see you in the next video.